Right guys, we have details regarding the production of AirPods Pro 2, but also the ports we could see on the case. And so let's delve into it guys, but first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours, and with that being said, let's just tuck in. So the tidbits coming from Ming Chi Kuo, a very credible supply chain source, and essentially he tells us Apple plans to move a majority of AirPods Pro 2 production to Vietnam because there's been lockdowns in China massively affecting the production of their devices, and so relying on China less and using other countries to produce their products is the better move. And yeah, the Wall Street Journal also recently mentioned this, where Apple's going to be focusing on India and Vietnam for production of devices instead of China. And yeah, Kuo basically corroborates with that report. He says that Vietnam's got a better production environment, and also because AirPods have a relatively simple supply chain, they can easily bring over this product and most of the production to Vietnam. And yeah, Apple already does produce some AirPods Pro models in Vietnam, and so I'm sure it's going to be a pretty seamless process. However, Kuo does say that test production and perfecting the manufacturing of these AirPods is still going to take place in China. Anyways, moving on to the port on the AirPods Pro 2 case, there's been rumours we could see USB Type-C on accessories relatively soon, as the iPhone 15 could get the USB Type-C port. And well, it seems AirPods Pro 2 is going to stick with the Lightning port. Now I can see this being a bummer for most, since Apple updates AirPods every 3 years, and so AirPods Pro 2 is going to stay in the lineup till 2025. And while if the rumours are to be believed, we'll be a few generations into a USB-C iPhone, so of course, AirPods Pro 2 sticking with the Lightning port can be a huge con as this product gets older. Though I'll be honest guys, I do wirelessly charge my AirPods Pro case, and considering the battery inside them is so tiny, wireless charging actually makes a ton of sense for accessories like AirPods, and so I would not mind Apple going portless instead. But guys, tell me your thoughts. Would you mind Apple going portless with the AirPods Pro case? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video above on details regarding the iPhone 14 series, and on that note I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.